So this is the video to make sure that your Unit 1 vocabulary has been downloaded and a reminder on how to put files in your Google Drive folders. Alright, so I am under Student View, so my page should look like this when you log in. First, click on Unit 1 Human Geo. Alright, this is taking you to the page. I have a button for every day. I still need to update the Day 1 button, but everything else is good to go. So once you click on Unit 1 Human Geo, the second thing you're going to do is click on Vocabulary. Right? It is going to prompt you to make a copy. So make a copy. Alright, so the copy is made. And there are 10 words: environment, climate, civilization, society, population, migration, interaction, source, perspective, and artifact. So you've made a copy, but now the third thing is to make sure that it's in the folder. So you are going to click File. You're going to come down to Move. You're going to click on Move, and this box will appear. Mine looks slightly different because this is my drive, and I have lots of things in my drive. So I am going to find that folder, 6th grade Social Studies 2020-2021. I'm going to click on it, and then I need to click on Unit 1 Human Geography. And then I'm going to move here. I also have a Quizlet link for you to practice those words. If you have a printer at home, you can print out the Quizlet sheets. Quizlet can sound out the words for you. There are matching games. There's a spelling game, and then there's a quiz. We will have a vocabulary quiz before Unit 1 is done, so you are going to spend some time on Quizlet today. While we're here, we need to also make sure that everything is in the folder correctly. So you need to go to your drive and make sure it is your school drive. Find that folder for Social Studies. So for mine, here it is, 6th grade Social Studies 2020-2021. And there should only be one folder, Unit 1 Human Geography. Double click it. You should have 3 things in your folder. You should have the notes, the 5 themes of geography notes. You should have the Unit 1 vocab, and you should have identifying 5 themes of geography and types of maps. Now, if the word copy in front of the assignments bothers you, you can click on it. And then up here, you can take off the copy part if that bothers you. So again, under 6th grade Social Studies 2020-2021, and then under Unit 1 Human Geography, there should be 3 things. The 5 themes of geography notes, 5 themes of geography and types of maps, and Unit 1 vocab.